Good morning. I think we're getting ready to start. I think it's starting. Is it not starting? Yeah, okay. Oh, shit. Good morning. Oh, my God. Oh, my God. Oh, shit. Shoot. So, I can do it over here. Why don't I do it over here? Right here. So gold blew up its freaking box, which means probably going to be completely freaking useless today, other than maybe trading off the top of it or trading off the bottom of it. Meaning, when I say off the top and off the bottom, I mean long off the top, short off the bottom, i.e., crossover, create space, sit on the top. Because the 8:30 news, CPI news, blew that freaking box up to ridiculousness. So it's not even a tradable box. I mean, you're talking from here to here is $4,500 one contract. It's $4,500. I mean, come on. Are we really expecting a $4,500 trade on one contract to work? I'm not anticipating it. I mean, the stuff is manipulated. Don't get me wrong, but I just don't. I'd be shocked. I'd be shocked to see a setup happen that actually will allow for that type of a crossover. But never know. You never know. Shit.
Sam McDaniel.
What the hell? Hold on a second. All right. Jesus Christ. Jesus, motherfucking Christ. Fucking sorry. Just dealing with stupid people. I should be out of this, but I was on the damn phone. I never should take a trade when I'm on the phone. How's everybody doing? Oh, I've already got that. Sorry. Shit. I had that over here. Sorry. All right. Fuck. Jesus Christ. I don't ever update Ninja, Nina, until they fucking force me. That is an old school ninja trader telling you this. Ever update Ninja until they're forcing you to do it. Don't ever update Ninja until they force you to do it. If there's any old school ninja traders in here, they can confirm what I'm talking about. Don't ever update Ninja until they force you to. Yeah. You don't ever update your system when it comes to trading until you're forced to. Because I cannot tell you how much the people that freaking make the changes in there don't know a damn thing about trading, and then they screw up the freaking system. So let other people update their stuff and send in all the reports of the shit that's not working and have them debug it, because you become the guinea pig. I'd rather not be the guinea pig. Let an old school ninja trader teach you a lesson today. Don't ever update your system until they force you. That's it. I can shut the stream down now, because that's worth more. That's worth more. That's worth more than showing you trades today. They go in to add something, tech review, or to modify something or whatnot. But what happens, because the code in Ninja, for example, is so unstable and so out of date, when they make a tweak here, they don't realize it screwed up something else that somebody wrote in the code fucking 15 years ago, until they go live with it and somebody's in a trade and something doesn't work right. If your system works fine before updating, why would you ever update it? Let that sink in. So yeah, it's kind of like I got a perfectly good working stove here in my kitchen, and I get a flyer in the mail from Home Depot that says we have brand new models of stoves. Come on in and buy one. Oh, well, shit, I need to throw this one out and get another one. You bring that one home and it doesn't work. I mean, why would you take a perfectly good working system and update it? Meaning you, not Ninja. There's no amazing feature they added, or they would have told you. I should have been in this damn trade right here. I'm sitting here too busy getting fucking mad. This was a perfect setup. So we cross over, retest midband. We went through the top and then back through the bottom of this inside bar. So I'm going to let it, if it goes back down, I'm going to get in now. So somebody asked me about trades this morning. So I did a major. I've just been having a rough couple weeks. Let's put it that way. And I did a major screw up today. Well, not major. I'll show it to you here in a minute. It's not major, like not nothing earth shattering, but I screwed up today trading. I restarted my system this morning, all that kind of shit. And let me get rid of this. And I took a trade in NQ right out of the gate. I mean, as soon as I sat down, I'm looking at my charts. I'm going, oh shit, there's a trade. And I took a trade in NQ that went straight down for $1,020 some dollars, something like that. I didn't even realize until a failed trade later in gold or NQ, I don't remember, that I was trading a sim account, that my freaking setting was on sim. It wasn't my live account. So there I was thinking I made $1,000 out of the gate, and I was trading sim. I didn't even know that. Because I have my chart scrunched up because people say, don't show your account, my account number. People always warn me, don't do that. Don't show your account number. I'm not sure what that matters, but so I have it scrunched over and I didn't even notice I was trading in fucking sim. I don't even know how that happened. All I did was turn my charts on, and it turns out I was trading in freaking sim. Trading in sim. God dang. After a beautiful $1,000 trade right out of the gate. And I'm trading in sim. That's good stuff. Gotta love that. You got to love that. You really do. You have to just love when you screw up shit like that. And that's what I did this morning. So to answer your question, yes, I did take a trade, but it wasn't real. It was a beautiful trade too. It was a red line trade in the NQ. Boom, boom, boom. I mean, within 2 minutes, it made $1,000. That's pretty impressive for a red line trade. That's very impressive for a red line trade to make $1,000 in 2 minutes off the trade. But didn't do me any good. Yeah, I don't know about that, Nadine. I have no idea. They must have force closed a trade on you. If you had something open yesterday, they would have force closed it at a specific time, 4 o'clock or 5 o'clock, whatever your prop firm is. And then, and you're fortunate that it was only minus $166. Yeah. I just, oh my God, escape. I don't even screw around in the sim account because it creates bad habits. So I don't know. Again, I rebooted my charts today and all that stuff, and then loaded it up, and then there I was, not realizing that my chart right here, my drop down, was in sim. I just didn't see it. Anyways, it is what it is, man. Nadine, I once had 20 PA accounts with Apex that I left my house on a Friday afternoon to go to. I know I went to the hardware store, so it's either Home Depot or Lowe's, probably Home Depot, to get something on a Friday afternoon because I was going to do some yard work or whatever, and I had left an order that I didn't see on my chart because it was posted on all my copy trade accounts, and I had made the mistake of disconnecting the accounts when I deleted the trade on one account. So I had 19 accounts that went into a trade blindly while I was gone and blew up all the accounts. I hope you, Jim, I hope you didn't do the update because you just might have confirmed my freaking comment. Did you do the Ninja update? Yeah, what a dumbass. So yeah, I traded my my Ninja trade, which was $1,000 trade right there. Right there. That trade right there. $1,000 trade and was fucking sim. Right, you don't ever, Jim, don't ever do an update because they're going to, until they force you to do it so that they can debug the screw ups that they create in doing it. I don't ever do the updates. Yeah, 19 accounts blew up. I came home from Home Depot, sat down at my desk, and just wanted to glance at the charts. And I look up at my chart controller thingamajigger, this thing. And it's the whole freaking board is red like this. And the unrealized is zero because they had all gone to whatever, minus $1,900, whatever it took to blow them up. And they all blew up. Yeah, Kenny, that was a rough day, man. I mean, to sit there and work my ass off to have 20 PA accounts and then to pay, all the PA fees to have 20 lifetime PA accounts. And all I wanted to do was just, slowly walk them up, $200, $300 a day, and get them funded and, all that kind of shit. And then to have 19 of them blow up on me one day from something I didn't even recognize had happened. It was pretty ugly. Pretty ugly. God dang it, man. I fucking just want to scream. Oh, okay. What the hell is that? Sorry, folks. Well, the equities have kind of gotten real quiet. I think there is, Bill. But I mean, I have to be at the freaking computer to do that. I didn't know the trades were even on. As a matter of fact, they weren't on when I left. There was just a dangling order sitting out that when I disconnected the main account from the remainders, those orders sat out there on the other 19 accounts. And here's the worst part. Okay, so here's the worst part. Because those orders, here's where the kicker comes in. Because those orders sat out there, all right, they didn't have an ATM because the ATM comes off the lead account too. That's the worst part of it all, because the lead account, once it's entered the trade, it throws the stop and the target on the chart. Without the lead account still connected to the other 19 accounts, when the other 19 accounts entered an order, there was no ATM. I mean, it was like a complete freaking kick in the teeth. I'm not talking about, that's a different topic, escape by travel. That's a different topic. I'm talking about my PA accounts that I blew up from just stupidity on a Friday afternoon. Ah, shoot. Man, I'm in the wrong damn. Yeah. I trade live. I don't use any prop firms anymore. In my opinion, do I prefer props or live? I think they have improved. I think they have an automated whatever they call it, the board where you can track where you are, with based on, clearance of the rules and things like that on a day-by-day basis. So that, and I think it's all automated, so that, like, if you if you have an account that you do something, I don't know, I'm gonna make this up, but dollar cost average into a trade, they let you know on day one, you did this is going to cause you to fail, versus you finding out after 2 weeks of building your balance from 0 to 3,000 or whatever. Now, to answer your question about do I prefer props or live, well, I mean, personally, I prefer trading live. For me, that's why I trade live. And Jim Racine, for example, trades live. I'm not going to put words in his mouth, but I think he prefers trading live also versus prop. And the reason is when I'm trading, I don't have to think. When I'm trading my live account, I don't have to think about, one of the things I struggled with, indicator trader, okay? One of the things I struggled with when I first got back into live trading is I struggled with letting trades go to target, because I got so used to prop firm restrictions of, I can't let it go up so much and then come back down and I got a trailing stop, or I can't let it go up so much and I make too much money today. Those kind of things. Like, you always have to have that shit in the back of your mind when you're trading, whatever the rules are for that prop firm. When I started trading live, I didn't have to worry about that, but I had to break myself of that habit. And so now I've broken myself of that habit. It took me months to break myself of the habit of just taking profits. And when I finally started actually trading and letting trades do what I really think they're going to do, I still struggle a little bit at that, but my profits have grown tremendously. The benefit of my profits growing tremendously is it also has allowed me to be a little bit more aggressive about the trades I take. Because if I have a trade over here, that I took in gold crossing the box and I made $2,800 today, I got a little bit of wiggle room on what I'm going to do maybe in the NQ later. You know what I mean? But the flip side is prop firms are absolutely 100%, no doubt about it, the best alternative to people that are trying to learn how to trade versus live trading. 100%. Because I'm an example. Jim Racine's an example. I don't want to put complete dollar amounts on it for both of us, but we both lost over 6 figures by not trading prop firms when we learned how to trade. We both did. And there's no way in hell I'm going to lose 6 figures trading in a prop firm. I mean, I have to be a complete idiot to lose 6 figures trading in a prop firm. Well, you got a good neighbor there, Open Box. Lucky you. Do I still get paid from your affiliate code? I still get credit, John, but I haven't been paid in months because, I mean, they're ultimately going to pay me. They don't pay you unless you make so much money. My understanding is they don't pay you unless you make a certain amount of money in a month, which I don't do that. But they accumulate it, and then they pay me later when it gets over that amount, if that makes any sense. They do their, I think they call it affiliate. Yeah, they do the affiliate payouts once a month. But I don't qualify until, a few months have gone by to even get a payout. Exactly, Edwin. And that's where and here's the bad part about live trading. And I think Jim could tell you this too. He doesn't have a complete voice here, but he and I have talked together. When you can take, like, I don't know, let's just say a W pattern that is just clear as the nose in your face in the NQ that goes from tink, 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 and there it goes. And you can manage yourself through the trade and get it for, say, $3,000. I'm making up a number. But when you can do that, which by the way, you can't do that in a prop firm, but when you can do that live trading, that's when your live trading results truly change, in my opinion. Because it, live trading allows me to accentuate big wins versus multiple small losses. And I focus on getting the bigger wins. And that just really changes my trading. It really does. Now I'm thinking differently. Like when I break a pivot and I'm going up and I'm doing a pullback, I'm looking to add a contract. You know what I mean? Like I'm looking when I go into trades to how do I take this rotation and turn it into something that's at least 4 figures. Okay. When I was prop firm trading, I was never looking for anything to be 4 figures. Yeah, Edwin, absolutely. Yeah. Yeah, the ES is, yeah. No problem, indicator. Yeah, dude, there's huge advantages to prop firms. There's huge advantages to prop firms. I mean, I'd have a lot more money in my life if I had learned how to trade with a prop firm. I'd have a lot more money to my life. Yeah, exactly. And you have to, yeah, exactly. Which one fits where you are in your, how about this, Edwin? Which one fits in your trading journey? Which one fits more appropriately in your trading journey? And I contend until you're consistently profit as a trader, that you should trade a prop firm. And then when you're consistently getting to the point where the prop firm's, paying you and that kind of stuff, it's very hard. I struggled with it after a while because I talked about it. I started not respecting the accounts. We've talked about that. But when you can do that, then, live makes sense. Which chart you want me to show you, Jim? I'm not. Is there a chart you want me to pull over here so you can compare it to yours? Like here's gold. I'm hoping Jim. See, Jim may be a walking example of updating your system. Jim, by the way, have you cleaned out your cache lately? Have you cleaned out your cache? God dang it! I should have taken that red line. Wait, what time is it? 27 after. Shit. Come on, come on, come on. Come on, gold. Come on. Oh, is your sim on 10-minute delay? If it is, then your data is. Maybe you were. Yeah. Did you go on the web? If you go on the web, does it exist? If you go on the web version, does it exist? I don't know, dude. Ask the AI that you could ask the AI. You could ask the AI, say your data is not showing up on the web version. On the web version, ask the AI. Remember, I told you about I had the AI and it fixed my freaking problems like that. I was freaking like, how the hell did that happen? And as a matter of fact, it was data related because I wasn't getting my data to my corporate account. All right, I probably shouldn't be in this. I probably should not be in this. I probably should not be in this. Too busy talking. God dang it. Go down. Come on, go down. Come on, gold. Go down. Come on. Probably should not be in this. Probably should not be in this. Yep, shouldn't have been in it. Lucky me. Oh, man. All right. I'll be right back. Since the market's going to open, I'll be right back. I need coffee. Oh, let's go. All right, let's see what's going on over here. Yeah, that's exactly it, Mark. That's one of the main reasons I had to stop. That's one of the main reasons I told myself there's a couple things. I told myself, you know, I just couldn't force myself to be disciplined anymore with the evals, and then it was creating bad habits, and I don't know, it was not good, not a good situation. So I had to get out from that situation. I had to. Woohoo! All right. Self. Well, that's a good example there, David, of the fact that one of the things I also talked about a lot was trading's lonely. So you find yourself talking to yourself. Trading is lonely, man. It's a lonely business. I mean, there's really nobody to talk to. If you talk to anybody, 95% of people look at you like you're crazy. 98% have no idea what you're talking about. So you're just the lunatic in the corner. I don't know what that means. Jim, I'm talking to Jim, sorry. Good morning, May. Wow, this is that's good, Edwin. Oh my God. Right off the red line. There it goes. There it goes. Both of them. Same time. Well, damn, how much are you going to run up from hitting that red line? To the freaking moon? God dang, NQ. What the hell? ES and NQ just, chew. RTY did the same thing, but it did it off of the prior day close. RTY is just gone. Okay, I'm looking at a 1 minute gold line in either the NQ or the ES. I want them both to get there at the same time. Notice they crossed over. See this? They crossed over that gold line right there. New high, pullback. So I want to look at that as a potential trade long. Needed to keep pulling back. Oh, come on. You needed to come down a little more. Come on. Come on, both of you. Both of you. Come on. Come on. Come down. Excuse me. Jesus, mother of God. Keep coming down. 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 Shoot. Come on. Man, this is going to, God, I'm afraid it's going to run away right here. Okay, there we are. We're in. We're in. All right, now. Interesting. All right, I'm going to kill this for now. That candle got way too big. Sit. 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 I need sit. Don't run off. Oh my God. Yeah, I can't. Fucking shit. I can't. I just couldn't do it, man. The candle was too freaking big. Shit. I just, this. This is frustrating to me right here, man. I waited for this whole scenario, and I just can't. I couldn't take it. I couldn't do it. I could not do it because of the fucking size of the candle, man. Son of a bitch. Such a good trade, too. Such an excellent setup. Excellent setup. Excellent setup. And I just couldn't do it, man. Couldn't do it. Couldn't do it. Couldn't do it. Son of a bitch. God dang it. Fuck. I just choked on that, man. I just couldn't do it. Now we're all the way up at the overnight open, which is not a good thing. Not a good thing. Fuck. Damn it. Oh, come on, man. Well, gonna take that loss too. What the hell? Yeah, I'm seeing that right here. Whoever brought that up. Yeah. It's not pulling back. It's just sitting there. It's just sitting there. And the RTY went straight out of the box. I don't know if anybody got that. Holy shit. All right. Let's see what happens here. Right here. All right, RTY might have a setup here soon, right here, that I'm paying attention to. Right there. If it would come back just a little more, needs to come back a little more. Needs to come back a little more. Well, shit, come on, man. Don't just take off from the gold line. Come on. Come back. Come back. There you go. All right. There. Now, look for it to rotate long. Potentially. There we are. Come on. Go. Oh, why are we? Oh my God. I grabbed my stops separately. Come on. Let's go. Oh my God. Come on, let's go. Jesus, let's go. Oh my God. I'm watching the RTY. I mean the YM. It's stuck. That's why this one's not moving. Come on. Come on. Roll up. I'm going to get knocked out, I think. Come on. I see the YM rolling up. Come on. Why are we not rolling up then? Come on. Go YM. Go. All right. YM's rolling up. I need the RTY to roll up with it. Come on. What the hell? Seriously. This is the most painful freaking trade I've ever been in. Come on. Go long. Come on. Fucking move. Oh, my aching feet. This is insane. People just stop texting me while I'm doing shit. I'm literally getting ready to lose my mind here. They're defending the pivot that I'm using as my stop, but they're not going anywhere. Go. Come on. Honestly, this is insanity. I'm just beside myself right now. I'm literally beside myself right now. Come on, man. Ah! Come on. Oh, it's going to take me out. It's going to take me out. Yeah, Jesus Christ. Holy Jesus. That was insane. That was totally insane. Well, you could see the interesting part about that whole scenario. You can see that there were a stack of buyers trying to hold that thing above that line. An absolute stack of buyers trying to hold price above that line. I mean, a stack of buyers. I mean, it wouldn't have stayed there that long if there weren't people just continuing to buy it off that freaking line. Well, gold just did the same trade I tried to do here. Gold just did it. And I'm up. Oh my God. I don't even want to show you guys. I don't even want to show you guys. I took that trade. I took the gold long off the top of the box. I took the gold long off the top of the box. Come on, gold. Keep going. Keep going. I need it to 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 keep going. Come on. There you go. That's it. Come back, clean out stops. Now go up. Yeah. Same with me, David. Same with me, David. Who keeps texting me? No, it is. I get it. I'm not arguing with you. Yes, it did. It would be nice if the RTY would now do another retest right here and then go long. That would be nice. That's kind of what I'm going to watch for that. That's kind of what I need the RTY to do, is do a retest and then go. Since it didn't make it the first time, it might make it the second. I might be taking a short off the bottom of the top of the box in gold here in a second. We broke this pivot right here and rolled up with a little space there. So I'm interested in that. Hold on here. I'm not interested in this freaking chart freezing on me while I'm in the middle trying to take a trade. Freaking piece of crap. All right. Go short, gold. Come on, hurry up. Go short. Morning, Wayne. The equities are stuck on, are we going short? Are we going long? They're not doing anything. I mean, let's look at the Dow here. I mean, God dang it. There's no direction there. Oh, shit. Yeah, there's like no direction right now. Everybody's just crisscrossing candles, crisscrossing candles. It's a bad scenario. Let me look at something here. Where's the date? Where's the calendar? The fucking Monday's the 15th. Jesus Christ, what are you complaining for? All right, we went through a high right here. See this right here in this NQ? So I love to see it drive right back to here and then allow me to take a long. Footprint in the sand. There's the footprint, hopefully. Hopefully that's the footprint right there. We went through that high right there. Hopefully that's the footprint for a long to go through the high. The ES has the same thing. See, it came off of a high right there, back down. So just got to hope that this is what they're doing right now, is playing this. Oh, shit. I don't want to get too excited yet. Hold on there. Don't take off on me yet. 2, 1. There we go. All right. All right. So let's just, yes, it's a big freaking candle. But I'm looking for a footprint in the sand. Trade long. Come on. Oh, wait. Hold on here. All right, I'm going to take a re-entry. I got to change this to one of my customers that I build houses for, John. Now, one of my manufacturers shows up once in a while. Yeah, one of my manufacturers shows up once in a while. That I will tell you. One of my manufacturers does. Every once in a while. He did this week, as a matter of fact. There you go, John. Most of the time, it's not a customer texting me, though. To be honest with you, it's either a lender or it's a contractor. You know, it's actually really not often is it my customer. This is getting just really ugly. Come on. This is getting really ugly. I'm going to have to call it a day, guys. I can't do anything right. Just can't do anything right today. These candles have no follow through, and then I'm allowing myself to get into a big candle. Yeah, me too, Papa Duke. I'm going to have to wait till this afternoon, get my money back. Didn't help that $1,000 trade I took this morning was a freaking sim trade. Man, that was stupid. That was absolutely stupid on my part. Breakdown now. Come on. Nope. Yeah, that was absolutely stupid. It's real whippy. Nothing's doing anything. And I'm just sitting here staring at freaking charts that, yeah, there's a reaction, for example, because that it ran right up, but there's just no follow through. Nobody's doing anything. None of these trades are moving. What is this about? I don't know if I can see your post or not, man. I'm kind of busy. I have no idea. I don't even know what SpaceX thing is, Lindsay. Somebody's asking me if see your post. That could be not you, Lindsay. That could be true. They're sitting around. I mean, we're waiting, could be sitting around waiting for war news or whatever the hell shit's going on. Because there's certainly not anything good going on right now. Jesus. I mean, everything's just sitting still. Certainly the action of complete indecision in trading. Let's go. Come on. Let's go long again. I'm long again, hopefully. I'm looking for, nope, it's rolling over. I'm done. I'm done. I'm done. I'm done until they do something. I'm done. I mean, it's 10:20. Obviously, they're sitting around waiting for something. Oh my God, Lindsay. Absolutely. Absolutely. I hit one in the pre-market. Absolutely beautiful. I hit one in the pre-market. The afternoons have been, I mean, while we're sitting here effing around, might as well go look at yesterday afternoon. I don't remember. I've been so damn busy. So we went right through it here, nothing. Of course, we did get a static line trade here in the afternoon. Some gold line, some 5-minute gold line trades, like that was one right there. And nothing. So yesterday was not very good. That's the NQ. Some 5-minute gold line trades in the NQ for damn sure. Holy shit. Let's look at the ES. It didn't do anything either. Just, I mean, I guess there's that. That's about it. Yeah, I guess that would be an inside candle here and then down, I guess. I don't know. Of course, that's late. What had happened yesterday is we got in the afternoon and it just ran away from the 5-minute red line. Price just ran away. Like big recovery and then just gone. I don't know why. I wasn't really paying attention. Oh, let me shrink this up. Jesus, I'm missing half my charts. Well, market's starting to move. Starting to move. Maybe we can find something. I don't know. Stupid RTY. Yeah. I'm looking at it. I'm actually watching it right now. That's what I'm watching is the RTY. It's exactly what I'm watching. Because it just took off. All right. Let's see if the NQ can give us a setup here or the ES. Doesn't matter. Either one of them. I mean, at least it's moving now. Jesus. We weren't moving earlier. Let me break this up a little. Yeah, I've stayed away from oil today because of that, Papa Duke. I've had the chart up, but I have not traded oil. I don't like to trade oil at all in the morning on oil inventory day. Ba, 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 ba. Ba, ba, ba. Ba, 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 ba. Ba, ba, ba. Da, 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 da. Little bit of vengeance, maybe. Maybe a little bit of vengeance. Maybe a little bit. This gold line. Come on, take me to the top. Don't come back and take me out. I'll be really freaking frustrated. Oh, come on. Come on, roll up. Take me to the top. Come on. Oh my God, I'm asking for it to do something it doesn't want to do. Yep. I'm asking it to do something it doesn't want to do. Unbelievable. Yeah, I don't trade oil on oil inventory day until, later if I'm going to trade it at all. Oh. Okay, hold on. So we got the NQ at the prior day close. Let me get the RTY out of the way so I can see the ES is at the same spot. It's just going to run away on me, and I'm going to not make any money because of it. Now roll up, please. Up and through the top. Come on. Up and through the top. Just go. It's acting so weird. What the hell? Oh my God. Hold on here. Shit. This is just phenomenal. I'm getting absolutely crushed. Yeah, I'm getting absolutely crushed. Absolutely crushed. Absolutely crushed. Yeah, 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 yeah. That happens, Gene. That does happen. Thing is, even when it moves, it doesn't move anywhere. Like it's not moving anywhere. Excellent, Wayne. Why are my screens going blank? Interesting. So here's just a quick observation in the YM. So it blew down, broke these pivots here, came up, tested the bottom of the top of the box. So I'm wondering if it's going to cross right here. I'm gonna try it. See how it did this to the mid band? Now I'm going to see if it'll cross. Come on, YM, move. Just ignore everybody else, man. Just go. There you go. Now let's go. Let's keep going. All right. All right. All right. All right. Come on. Let's go. Let's keep going. Get off that mid band. Get off that mid band. Let's get off that mid band and keep on going. Come on now. Conceptually, you should be wanting to come down here. There you go. Now let's go. Get through that mid band. Let's go. There you go. Let's go. Come on. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Come on, baby. Come on. I was praising you earlier this week for doing exactly this. Oh my gosh. This might work, guys. Holy shit. Holy shit, this might actually work. It was this, I looked up and I saw this and I went, wait a second. I think they're crossing the box. Come on, just do it. Keep going. Keep going. Come on. Keep going. Just keep going. Keep going. Keep going. There you go. Come on. Come on. Come on, baby. Come on. Come on. Keep going. There you go. Now let's go. This is a lot of traveling it's got to take. Come on. Down. Come on, down. Let's not do this. Let's not do this. Let's go down. Let's not do this. Oh, you freaking PAS. Don't do that. Don't do that. Don't do that. There you go. Now roll over. There you go. All right. There you go. All right. All right. No, no, no. Down. Down. Come on. Come on. God dang it. Shit, man. I don't know what to do. I don't know what to do. Fuck. All right, I'm going to go up here and maybe add some contracts. Come on, guys. We got to do what we set out to do. We set out to make money on a cross the box trade. That's what we set out to do. Why are we doing stupid shit? Why are we doing something else? Come on. Don't do that to me. I'm going to be so fucking pissed. Jesus Christ. It just doesn't. Oh my God. It just doesn't commit. Now let's go. Let's go. Let's quit lollygagging. There we go. Come on. Now go. Just go. Oh, my aching ass. Move. All right, come on, YM, let's go. Jesus, Mary, and Joseph. Oh, my God. Here we go. Come on, let's go. Let's go. I don't think I've ever made $1,000 in a YM trade before. Truth be known. So if I hit target here, this probably be my biggest YM trade ever. Probably. I don't remember making $1,000 on a YM trade. But we got to get there. Don't count my chickens before they hatch. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. There you go. Now just be deliberate. Come on, be the beast that you are. Be the beast that you are. Make it happen. Run. Run across. Come on. Man, it's just like, where are the sharks today? Where are the fucking sharks? They're just not present today. Come on. There you go. Come on. Move. Come on. Oh my God. Get the sharks moving. Let's go. Oh, fuck. Come on. Come on. I don't want an inside candle. I didn't want an inside candle, damn it. We're going to get one. Please roll over. Oh, my God. Please roll over. Come on. Please roll over. Okay, there we go. There we go. Now go. Now go. 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 All right. I'm good. All right. Let's see if it goes down to that target. I just got to the point where I couldn't allow it to roll up on me. Once it broke that bottom and then it broke there, I'm like, okay, it either goes or I'm out. It's going to go. Just so painful. So painful. Yeah, it was. And by the way, Bruce, this whole scenario of me catching this, I caught this part. Obviously, I made a couple $100, but this whole right here was because I've been looking back on the charts and I noticed the YM has been crossing the box regularly lately. So when I saw this top half, I was like, oh shit, they're bringing it down here. Just where's the rotation from? Well, the rotation really was from here, but look at how dirty they are. Bruce, look at this. Bruce, I want you to see this, okay? So here's your entry right here, okay? Where did they bring this fucker back to? Right to the entry. They came up here intentionally to clean out the stops before they rolled it back over. That's how dirty even the Dow can be. I mean, that was all. And I knew this when this was rolling up. And I'm going, son of a bitch. I mean, I knew where they were going. So I took a little bit of money and then just waited for the rejection to get back in case I was wrong. In case I was wrong and they rolled it up. You know what I mean? I just couldn't, Yeah, dirty dogs, man. Absolutely. They knew what they were doing. Go back and you look at these pivot points. This pivot point was specifically done right there on purpose. Which trade did you get, Edwin? Oh, you did the same trade I did? Did you do that one? Gene? I'm talking about Gene. I'm sorry, Gene. Sorry. Good job, David. Okay, good. Yeah, that was a, I mean, it was, when I saw this, I knew exactly what was happening. You know what I mean? Like I knew, have you seen this movie before? I knew exactly what was happening. I mean, I knew exactly what was happening. The problem was I didn't count on them dirty dogging it right here, so I had to re-enter. But, because sometimes you got to remember, sometimes this thing will come back through because, again, here we are at the mid-band. We've already run through it once. And they'll run that son of a gun right straight to it. And then you're stuck. then you miss out if you're trying to wait for it to come back and retest the mid band. Then you're just sitting there going blah, 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 blah. So you have to take the chance up here. And if you happen to miss this chance and you see this, you broke, think about this. You broke this pivot right here on the down trade and then up into the mid band after this rotation. Yeah, come on, man. There's only one place they're bringing it, to the bottom of that box. There's only one place they're bringing it, to the bottom of that box. It's a beautiful setup when it happens, when you can see it. I mean, it's absolutely gorgeous when you can see it. When it sets up, and again, this is from studying charts that I have in yesterday's video. That I have noticed the YM is crossing the box on a regular basis lately. Well, son of a gun, man. Here's all your up pivots right here, and they slammed it through it, rolled it up to here, and then wham. God dang. So, I'm like, oh shit, I know what they're doing. Anyways. All right, guys, I'm going to have to go. I'm still down $1,600, just for full disclosure. Keep in mind, I had a $1,000 NQ trade this morning that, like a dingbat, I didn't realize I was in sim. So I'd only be down $600 if that hadn't happened. I'd only be down $600 if that had not happened. But anyways, no big deal. I will talk to you guys later. Man, I'm telling you, I've had this conversation with Jim Racine lately. It's like I almost don't want to even start these live streams early in the morning because it's like every morning we've been doing this. And then it starts moving. After 10:30, 11 o'clock. It's not moving in the morning. It's just stealing money. But anyways, all right, everybody have a good day. I will talk to you later. Bye.